Mangura hospitals bombed underneath by Chinese miners. Sanapita mashoko oshamisa vanhu nevari muzvipatara votodhistibheka pamusoro patona kuti the hospital iri Mangura yobombewa nemaminers vanova kune dzimwe nyika machinas vari kungoregerwa. Aiwa neZanu PF nobva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Timina Zim mudanyira chiti a major infrastructure crisis hit Mangura hospital after violent underground blasting carried out by suspected Chinese mining contractors late last night causes widespread structural damage to the facility. The powerful explosions reportedly executed in the mountains adjacent to the hospital compound resulted in deep cracks throughout the hospital wards, sparking fears that the entire building may now be on the verge of collapse. Images taken inside the hospital show alarming scenes of large vertical and horizontal cracks snaking through wide walls, supporting pillars, ceiling, and entrance sections of the brick structure having visibly separate from the walls. In one image, a hospital visitor can be seen pointing at a gaping crack, threatening a critical beam. According to eyewitness reports, residents felt tremors late in the night as blasting shook the ground beneath the town. Within hours, damage to the hospital infrastructure became evident. There is no word yet from the Ministry of Health on whether the hospital will be evacuated or if emergency renovations will be funded. However, activists are demanding urgent intervention to prevent what they describe as an avoidable disaster in the making. Ndomashwaro kudanyuka panguva ino chinokwanisa aiwa Zanu PF zvayo panguva inoika hapana kana zvairi kutomboita vatori madistractors zvinokwa kuti machina avo panguva ino vobomba muzasi vachimaina maminerals zvinyatskuzikanwa nyika isi kuti these guys vari kuzviita simbori pamutemo, they are just looting. It's now zviri kuita kuti macitizens pamwechete nemahospitals agara ari grappling aiwa ave threatened. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko chipinda kumesection medu. Subscribe like turn on the bell icon.